Okay, we're in Jacksonville, and we're about to start at the original Jacksonville Supercharger. It's around the corner from the Jacksonville store, but with the latest news, we don't know if the store will still be there, or if it'll become a gallery, or what. So, I don't know if that's a really good landmark to use right now. But I do like the station, so up ahead on the left is our station, so I need to get over real quick. Motorcycle fossils. So our target is the Wawa over here on the left. We'll see what kind of shenanigans I had to pull to make it in there. Never seen 3 left turn lanes. I take that back. I can't recall any at the moment. Alright, so coming into the Wawa. You've got a double-sided supercharger. This is what a double-sided supercharger looks like. So that you can charge on both sides. Alright, so they've got a 40-minute charging maximum over there. That is new. It wasn't there the last time we were here. This is the most terrible parking job I've done in a long time. 3B, 3A. So we want to be over there. Because we do have places to go tonight. We're not just doing this for fun. Sure. So the stall layout is the station right behind you is the one you're sharing with, so you don't want to butt up against somebody else, otherwise you're sharing a stall with them. So I was on 4, you got 3, 2, 1, and this is new here, the Tesla 40-minute charging maximum. I don't know if that's all stalls or just these first ones that are the 15-minute general parking. Alright, so walking across from the Superchargers, we go into the Wawa. And then to your right are the restrooms, and to the left is where you can order fresh hot food, or you can do the convenience store stuff. So the Wawa has covered seating areas, so you can sit down outside of your car and enjoy the a nice hot meal away from your car while you're on a road trip. Look, more Tesla friends, another Model X. So anyway, we're gonna go to the car and we're gonna give you our review. I give the Jacksonville Supercharger on Gate Road, or off Gate Road, a 8 out of 10. There is plenty of fresh hot food, plenty of prepackaged stuff if that's what you're into. The selection in the mall across the major highway is quite stellar. If you can walk it, but I wouldn't. I would wait until after my car was done charging, or I would go before. I just don't like the idea of getting run over. But it's open all night, so that's bonus points. I actually would have given it a 7.5. And my only complaint is the restrooms are paperless, but they have the door handles that open inwards, so you wash your hands nice and clean, and now you're touching on a door handle after watching some Bubba just leave without washing hands. after watching somebody leave without washing their hands, and it's kind of gross. So what I do is I head over to the drink machine, I grab a paper to open the door with, and then that's what I deal with. But super convenient. It's right off the highway, and so what I'm gonna do next is check out the new Jacksonville Supercharger to see which might be better. I've been told that getting out of the other one is tougher, so I'll let you know about that as well. But let's see what they call this one on the map. They call it the Jacksonville, Florida Gate Parkway Supercharger. And it's an 8-stall, and it's double-sided, so the cars just back up to each other. I don't know about that whole 40-minute thing. I don't think they'll actually enforce it. I think what they don't want is people to just sit here for hours. But, well, I guess it really doesn't matter. You've got the idle time on top of that to further incentivize you to vacate the premises. So I'm going to take a picture, and then we're going to head on over to the other one. Catch you on the flip side.